I've got some invigilation. Mr. Invigilator, can you say hi? Yeah, you probably can't hear that. Who cares? Right, let's get everything set up so I can carry on with my test. Alan hates and Beepum. Well, there we go. He's live. He indeed is live. OMG, for real. OMG. Is your favorite YouTuber live?
Bro, I was gonna write my favorite YouTubers live.
Right. Come on, guys. Let's begin our exam. Carry on. In a real exam, I'd have 1 minute and 30 seconds left. But since I'm not doing a real exam, I make the rules. Ah ha ha. Ebony makes some bracelets to sell. The materials to make all bracelets cost £190, correct to the nearest £5. Ebony sells all the bracelets for a total of that to the nearest £5. Okay. Considering balance, it was definitely more. So you want the lowest. So you want lower bound, subtract upper bound, over upper bound. A, B, C. Bro, you cannot play scales. What do you mean? What do you mean? No, I can't see it. Did you like it? Yeah. When are you gonna do your first live stream? Doing a SATs paper?
Tomorrow's reading. We have 7 views.
Do I? Hello, Chony. Wait, do you remember that video where I raged about Sign 30? No? No. I sent it to you. It was on my status. Do you remember it? Well, I was like, since when am I meant to know? Sign 30 is a half! Do you remember that one? You're cutting out. No, do you remember it? Do you remember it? I'm asking you. Oh. Thank you for the hearts in the chat, whoever it is. Is it definitely not you? Yeah, it's definitely you, bro. Right, last question. Chonies message is loading. I've never seen that on YouTube before. How, look in chat. Chonies message is loading. Wow. I know, right? I've never seen that happen before. Wait, if Hal's message is loaded, then why is Chonies not loaded? Wow. How's that happening?
How do you do that?
It's an emoji. Given that where x is bigger and y is bigger, work out the simplest form ratio x to y. Yes? No. Maths.
How long?
I don't know.
Estimate.
20 billion.
20 million.
Yeah.
What's that mean?
Right, 30 minutes. I have to mark it. Right, we can cross multiply. So 11 to x squared. Speaking of music practice, I need to practice more music. You're glitching out. Go onto my YouTube channel and watch part 1. It's really good. Doing this maths test. Negative 150x squared is equal to, what's negative 43 subtract 22? It's negative 65. Negative 65y squared. Right, we can square root on both sides. So negative 150 equals, negative 150x equals 65y. Being times by negative 1, so 150x equals 65y. So what's the lowest common multiple? What's the lowest common multiple of 150? and 65. You know the new calculators have a lowest common multiple button. The prime factors of 150 are 2, 3, and 5 squared. Prime factors of 65 is 5 and 13. So if we put it in a Venn diagram, 150 on one of them and 65 on one of them, they both share 1 5. This one shares. That's your name.
Bro, my finger.
Unlucky.
On my the top. Facing.
What do you think 2 times 3 times 5 times 5 times 13 is? Wrong, it's 1,950.
1,900. What? How was it 1,000? Oh, 1,900.
So x equals 13. And y equals 30. So, ratio is 13 to 30. That's my answer. Right, one last question. I'm a bit over time here. Right, last question, guys. The diagram shows a triangular prism with a horizontal rectangular base A, B, C, D. M is the midpoint of AD. Yep. Vertex T is vertically above M. AB is that. BC is 3.8, and MT is 2.3. P is a point on AB such that it's AP to PB is 5 to 2. Size of angle TP. Right, okay. So you get 14.7. So you have AP to the ratio of PB is a ratio of 5 to 2. So 5 plus 2 equals 7. Over 7 equals 21 over 10. I should just use 2.1. So 2.1 times 5. I'm doing ratios in a GCSE test, how? You better learn your ratios. You better remember your ratios. You'll need it for a GCSE test, maybe. Oh, it's Pythagoras. Let's go. Equals length of AP. So AP is 10.5 centimeters. And we need to find the height. It's more Pythagoras. 3.8. So that's step 1. Step 2 is Pythagoras. So 3.8 over 2. 1.9. So we got a triangle. 2.3 squared plus 1.9 squared equals TA. What? How is still what? What are you on about?
I can't explain it.
Right, step 3.
Stretch. The next T. One up. A minute.
TA squared plus AP squared, root of that because it's Pythag equals TP. So add that number, 10.5. We get answer squared plus 10.5 squared. Is my calculator broken? What? Oh. Uh-oh. ASMR. So it should be 10.9 centimeters. Wait, why is it degrees? Oh. How? I'm using trigonometry. Toby would be good at this question. For context, Toby is a year 6 who knows trigonometry for some reason. Oh yeah, year 6 are 10 to 11 year olds, by the way. So that's your context. Right, so we have adjacent and opposite. So that's cosine. Cosine of theta equals adjacent over opposite. So cosine of theta equals 14.7 over, nope. It should be correct because we divide by 7. Let me just check it. Yep. Anxiety over that weird R number. You should get Lucas to watch this stream. He's done his GCSEs. That means theta equals inverse cosine 14.7 over root 890 over 10, which equals inverse cosine 14.7 over root 890 over 10. Math error. I see. It's adjacent over opposite, so I should be using a tangent. Pac-Man JFL. I sadly ooh, right, I mean, yeah, to be fair, it's, why would it be 0.08 degrees? Oh, because it should be inverse tan. There we go, that's a sensible number. 78.827 ... which rounds to 1 dp, 78.5. So 78.5 degrees. Only 20 minutes overtime. Time to mark it. Right, let's see how cooked I am. Right, so I didn't need the compass or protractor, but like, whatever. Do, 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 do. It's ruler first, then protractor. Nope, it's then the triangles, then it's protractor. Right, I'm putting that in my maths folder. Oh, there's school tomorrow. I've got a French test tomorrow. Right, come on, let's mark our work, kids. Let's get marking. Right. That's the mark scheme. That's the Maths Genie themselves. And what's this? And that's the video. Vinderland, the Latin script. It's Genie, that's the one. Right, I only went 20 minutes over time. For the fact I'm doing GCSEs in 2 years, I think that's valid, you know?
Or 1 year.
No. In the UK, when do you do your GCSE tests? In year... Taken in year 11, exactly, so I've got 2 years. I've got more than 2 years. Right, come on, let's get marking, kids. Somebody's watching me. It's my anxiety, anxiety, anxiety. Ooh, ooh, anxiety, anxiety, anxiety. Right, 4 marks on question 1. Thanks, Pac-Man JFL. Is this not what you do in your free time? Do GCSE higher tests in year 9? Is this not what you did, Pac-Man JFL? Complete method for 20 times 0.4 equals 80. Correct answer only 80. It's 2 marks. Yay, I get 2 marks. Question 3. 24.6. Mark 1 for finding 5 products. I've done that there. Ooh, I get the mark. Right. Mark 2. What the hell is that? Huh? Right, Pac-Man GFL. Why is there a sigma? Why at Pac-Man GFL? Why is there a sigma? Why? Oh, sum of function x. So what's function x? Sum for sum of function x and sum of f. Bro, this stupid light. Should I turn it off? Ugh. Oh, it's this torch. I see. So I can keep this on. So sum of function, it's shortened to add. Oh, okay. Thanks. Thanks, Pac-Man JFL. You gotta start practicing early, don't you, for your GCSEs? I see, I understand. Mark 2 for doing that. Yeah. Mark 3 for that. 3 marks. Right. B. No with reason. Okay, right, accept. The median interval is the 25th value. The median group is the 25th fifth temperature. I did that. That is 25th value. That's the mark. I get the mark. All 4 marks so far. Oh. This is a 2023. Paper 3. 2023 November. Paper 3. Calculator. Right, A. For 2 access, she should have a solid shaded. Yep, I got that. The circle on the right. Okay, it does not show that x is equal. She should have drawn a clear empty circle. The bottom circle is not at -3. The line should be drawn to -3. Yeah, I'm giving that one to me. Right, the circle on the right should be filled in. She should have a solid, full shaded coloured circle at 4. Yeah, that's correct. Yeah, close enough, close enough, close enough, close enough. Right, question B. Yeah, this one. For a first correct step, example, adding 7 to both sides. I did that. I added 7 to both sides. Oh! Guys, look at this. Look at this, guys. Adding 7. So 16 plus 7 is 16. Rookie mistake. What's 23 divided by 5? 4.6. So it should be 4. Oh, it says integer. Right, I get no marks. I need to read the question. I don't think I cooked there. Guys, I'm not cooking very well. It says integer. Right, okay. No K. Yes K. Ali buys, yeah, right. For start 1, find the common multiples of 30 and 24. Draw factor trees with no more than one error. Okay, I drew a correct Venn diagram. That's 1 mark. Yep. Mark 2, for identifying the common multiple. Yep, it's right here. Right, last step. Mark 3, for 4 and 5. Yep, full marks. Ah ha ha ha. Right, question 6. Mark 1 for doing 30 times 4 What? Question 6. "30 times 4 divided by 6. A company orders a large number of plates from a factory. It will take 30 hours to make all the plates using 4 machines. Wait, what even is the correct answer? It is 20. What? It's correct. But I don't get the first mark. Why? It says for 30 times 4 divided by 6. Right, if Pac-Man JFL is still on the stream. I got the correct answer, but my working isn't satisfactory enough, apparently. Answer 20. Mark 1 for 30 times 4. Why would you do times 4 divided by 6? Right, here's the question. You showed working to get a scale factor. I didn't though. What I did... The scale factor is 5 from what you did. Wait a sec. How can I put the link in chat from here? Wait, is the comment section blocked from my school computer? Your videos. No, I'll send it into chat. Can I watch it? So I can't watch it. Yeah, okay, right. I can't, how do I save it? Right, in the description, in theory, there should be the link. At this point, I'm just going to copy it. Right, let's do this. https :// www.mathsgenie.co.uk/papers/3H November 2023 .pdf. Right, it's in chat, guys. The paper. Answer is 20. Mark 1 is given for 30 times 4 divided by 6. OE. What does OE stand for? OE, or equivalent. Or equivalent. Or equivalent. Or equivalent. Yeah, whatever, that counts, 4 marks, yep. Right, question 7. 7 hour 56 minutes, that's the correct answer. I get 1 mark for the correct answer, let's go. Right, mark 1. What does P and A and M stand for? P, process mark, I see. Question 7. By the way, this is my school computer. Right, process of 143 divided by 55 equals 2.6. There we go, I did that. Right, that's 1 Process mark. Right, for the process in minutes. 2.6 times 6. Yep, here it is. I got it right here. And correct answer only, all 3 marks. Right, question 8. Yeah, Pac-Man, I get it, but I get the correct answer anyway with a much more simpler method, because I never divided it by 4. Look, a company, okay, right, it would take 30 hours to make 4, it would take 30 hours to do something with 4 machines. So if you want to do it in 6 hours, you divide by 5. So that means you need 5 times more marks, team. You need 5 times more machines. I was just using logic there. No, whatever. Question 8. Method mark 1. For substitution, find the area of the face. Example 351 equals 51. Yeah, right, I get the mark. And then working it out, which equals 144. Right, mark 1. Mark 2. For the method to find... Let's zoom in a bit. Method to find comparable figures. Example 144 multiplied by 6 equals... Yeah, I got that. Surface area. Right, correct for comparable figures. For correct comparable figures. For correct comparable figures. What? For correct comparable figures. 844. Oh, 864. Yeah, right, I'm giving myself my mark. Right, 3 marks. By the way, Pac-Man, I have a part 1 where I actually did most of the paper. So, yeah, that's just saying, did you compare... Yeah, okay, right, thanks. Right, answer equals y equals negative 2x plus 3. Correct for finding the gradient of the line. Yep. Mark 2 for using C... Yeah, I found out the y-intercept, yeah. Right, and correct answer only for... Yeah. Right, 3 marks. Right, question 10. I mean, the answer's correct. It's a correct answer only, so... For the last mark, so I get 1 mark straight away. Example, k subtract p equals m over 2. And then for isolating m, so this counts as 1 mark, and this counts as 1 mark. Right, perfect. Question 11. Right, answer is 12. I think I did something a bit wrong here. For the process of working with an area scale factor. Yeah. So times by 50. Process mark. For the process of working with an area scale factor. So I did use an area scale factor, which is 50. Oh, I need to use 50 squared as my scale factor. Oh, I see. That's the issue. Because Yeah. Right. I don't even think I need to. I need to use 50 squared for my scale factor. Right. I don't think I get a single mark. Process mark for 120,000 over 100 squared. Nope. So I get 0 marks, guys. That's our first loss. Actually, no. It's our second loss. Right. Answer is. Right. Okay. That scared me. 246. Right. In the range of 246 and 247. Why is there a range? I guess some people just can't round. Yeah. Well, I get the answer correct. Right. Process mark. X over 360 times pi times 6.2 squared equals 82.6. Yeah, I did that. No. I mean, I got 82.6. Oh, I got it. Yeah. I did it there. Right, 2 marks. Wait, so how many marks have I lost so far? And was it out of? The total mark is 80. So it'll be out of 80. Right. I've lost 2 there. And I've lost 3 here. So minus 5 so far. Just note that down somewhere. Yeah, where do I note it down? I'll note it down on my water bottle. -2, -3. Perfect. How are you still invigilating very well? I don't think Hal's there. Hal's not invigilating very well. By the way, this guy's year 6, the guy I'm on call with. Right, 6 over 80. Yeah, but I just simplified it as a fraction. Oh yeah, or equivalent. Yeah, so correct. Right, method mark. 80 subtract 74 equals 6. Right, there's my method mark, correct. Right, 4 marks. Right, B. 60. Is it correct? Is there a mark for... it's just a range. Right, C. 35 centimeters. Method mark 1 for UQ is 75. Oh, upper quartile and lower bound is 40. Yeah, I got that. And the difference is 35. Right, 2 marks. D. Comparison made. Comparisons of interquartile ranges. Yeah, this one was really hard. I didn't know. The heights of the plants grown outside are more varied. The entire interquartile range of the plants grown outside is 35, but can I just say that? Is it that simple? Because I thought I had to talk about the distribution being more towards the bottom. It's just that simple. I just say it's... Whoa. So just say outside it was 35 and inside it was 30. Well, I'm not giving myself the mark. Right, another mark lost. Adding it to the tally. That's my bottle of shame. When people see me drinking out of a water bottle, they see what all the minuses for. Those are the marks I lost on a GCSE higher paper. Right, 2n squared plus 3. Answer only. Yep. Right, mark 1 for correct start to a method to find the nth term. Hello. Yeah, I'm still marking.
How long?
I don't know. $10. Right, I am cooking. I am cooking. Oh, what were you doing? Oh. Right. Question 15, shown. Right, method mark 1. For method to find comparable ratios. Oh yeah, this is the question I skipped. What? What? $32. Okay. So it was all about ratios. Right, this was the question I was stuck on. At Pacman JFL. Yeah, it was pretty difficult. How am I meant to prove they're similar? Because all I knew that similar shapes always have the same angles, right? So I tried to prove the angles. But it was a 2-mark question. Right, yeah, it's question 15. It's telling me I'm meant to use ratios. For the correct, yeah, I get 2 marks, right? Bottle of shame. Minus 2 marks on the bottle of shame. I'm actually interested in how am I meant... So I just find the ratio. So this is doing a ratio between 80 and 32. That's smart. 80 to 32 and 54 21.6. But I was doing that, but with scale factors. And it just didn't work. Is that true? 80 divided by 32 is 1/4. Nope. Is 2.5. 21.6. 54. The ratio is 2.5. So, ratios was just easier, but I was trying to do scale factors. And I don't know why they didn't work. Four over 32. 27 over 16. Why am I multiplying 32? Oh yeah, 54. Oh yeah, 21.6 times my scale factor, 27 over 16. Should give me 80, but it doesn't. What does miffed mean? British slang. Yeah, but my scale factor didn't work. Right, basically, during the stream, I did this to prove that my scale... Right. So here's my scale factor. We get this 32 and we want to turn it into 54. So I get my scale factor of 54 over 32. So here's my scale factor. 54 over 32. 54 over 32. So that's my scale factor. So prove it worked. I got 32, turned it into 54 using my scale factor. And then I did 21.6, multiplied it by my scale factor, and it should equal 80. But I did it multiplied by my scale factor, and it just wasn't 80. So then I said, I give up. Because I'm multiplying by a consistent scale factor. But then, ratios work. The ratio between... Wait. What are similar shapes? I was thinking of congruence. Wait. What are similar shapes? What are similar shapes, GCSE? There's an examiner's report. Enlargements using a scale factor. Enlargement using a scale factor. But it can also be mirrored, right? Can similar shapes be mirrored? Maybe.
According to BBC,
Okay.
transformations.
You know, Pac-Man J4, I think I know why. This smaller triangle, I think, is a rotated That's such a difficult question. Because they're doing the ratio between 54 and 21.6 and 80 to 32. Similar shapes are multiplied by a scale factor or ratio. Yep. So what am I meant to do? So if I encounter this question, what am I meant to do? How am I meant to figure out which sides I... Yeah, so this one has been reflected. ADE has been ADE has been reflected. But we're meant to assume it's not drawn to scale, right? That's the issue. We need to assume that it's not drawn to scale. So that's why I did the most obvious from here to here and here to here. But it's mirrored. The A shape triangle ADE has been mirrored. Yeah, I understand the ratios. I put it down here, but like, we're meant to assume all shapes are not drawn to scale. Diagrams are not accurately drawn unless indicated otherwise. Yeah, fair, but... So if I did draw it out as triangles, you have triangle 1, 21.6, and we have 32, and we have triangle 2, 54, and 80. I would have gotten to the same bit, yeah. Strange question. Yeah, well, move on. Life goes on and on and on and on. Question 16. Right. Process mark for correctly identifying at least two of the digits. For example, 2 options for the first digit, yeah. And 4 options for the second digit, yeah. Ooh, I get 1 process mark. Sheesh. For the process to multiply 1, 2 times 4 times 3 times 5. Ooh, process mark 2. Okay, right. For the answer 1 over 120. Oh, I didn't know what it meant. Work out the probability that Amber guesses. It's a bit ambiguous. It's a bit ambiguous. It's a bit ambiguous. Yeah, I still get 2 marks. Who cares? Woo! It's a bit ambiguous. Because I thought it was the chance that you have to assume that Amber is optimal. But if he isn't optimal, and she's just guessing completely randomly, my answer is correct. Wait, no, it isn't. Oh my days. I'm so dumb. Right, okay. Never mind, we move on. Oh, right, after bottle of shame, subtract 2 marks. Bottle of shame. Bottle of shame. Minus another mark. Right, let's see if I get a grade. Actually, no, there's 2 more tests I have to do to see my grade. Who cares? I'll just divide the grade boundaries by 3. Yeah, whatever. Completing the square. Yeah, completing the square is easy. It's like a -2 topic. Yeah, I get the working mark. Correct answer only. Right. Mark 5. 4 minus 13. It's a 1 mark question. Correct answer only. Right. B. I mean, I got the answers correct. Is it a correct answer only for answer mark? Yeah, I got it. Right, okay, let's get the working marks. Right. For substitution into the quadratic formula or what if someone did like completing the square? Alright, and for simplification. Easy! Substitution, simplification. Easy, full marks. Year 9s are literally so good. Right. What mistake has acceptable? He hasn't considered the coefficient of 3. I wrote he did not divide by 3 at the end. K equals 2 is wrong. He should divide by 3. Yep. Boom. Mark. Easy. Right. 18A. Triangle drawn. For the correct enlargement at 710. 710. 4 minus 4. 7 minus 4. Also, at Pacman JFL, where do I see the examiner's report? What website are you using? The AQA website to see the examiner's report? I get both marks. Right, B. Correct vector. Minus 313. Yeah, it's a 1 mark. That's a weird question. Pearson's. Oh, so you're using the official website. Yeah. I'm using a third party, yeah. I'm using Maths Genie third party, so that's why I don't get all the cool stuff. Right, process mark 1. For the process to find the diameter of the small cone using scale factors. I did that as step 1. Yeah, I did do that. Sheesh! Right, process mark 2. For the process to find the volume of one cone. Yeah, I did that. And then process mark 3, a full process to find the volume of the frustrum. Yep, it's in step 2. And last mark for answer, that's correct. Yeesh. We are cooking, guys. Ignore the fact I went 20 minutes over time when I was doing the exam. I'm year 9, I don't give a shit. Right, okay, I got this question wrong. Horribly wrong. Yeah, okay, it's because I've not done quadratic curves on graphs. Okay? I've not done quadratic curves on graphs. What? Are you sure it's 4, 6? Function G x minus 7. So it's just moving... y is just 7 less, right? Okay, right, I'll learn quadratic curves later. Correct sketch. See end of mark scheme. See end of mark scheme. Yeah, right. Okay, I've not learned this yet. Unlucky. Bottle of shame for not learning this. Bottle of shame. Bottle of shame. Minus 3 marks. Right, 21. Start by finding one missing angle. Example CBD equals, yep, I got that. Because angles are... It's not a tangent! Do I not get the mark? Angles clearly identified in the diagram may be awarded marks if there's no ambiguity. I mean, my reason was incorrect because I said it was a tangent. Because it's not a tangent. What even... I hate circle theorems so much. It's so much memorization. Circle theorems. What is the technical name? Oh, that quality is so bad. There we go. Right, what is it? Angles in the same... Oh, it's called segments. It should be segments. Ah, well, I still get the mark because A, I'm nice to myself. Yeah. And B, yeah. B is reason A. C is reason B. Right, for the process of finding a second angle, example BDE equals 170. Yes, 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 yes. I put it on the diagram. Yes, yes, yes. Right. BDC equals 27. What? How do you get BDC equals 27? Last mark for stating one correct circle theorem used. Angles in a semicircle are 90. I said angles at the diameter. 2 out of 4. Also, why is this wrong? I swear it's correct. I swear it's correct. That's true. It's 90 degrees. And that's true. It's one big triangle. Huh? Ho 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 ho. Ho ho ho. Huh?
Oh my god.
What?
Oh.
Ho 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 ho. Ho 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 ho. Right, at Pac-Man JFL. Right, so basically, I figured that one out because angles at the segment are the same. Yep. I figured this one out, including BDE. I figured this angle out because angles triangle add up 180. It should be 177 unless I made a massive mistake. Yep, it's 117. Right, and then from this angle we have the diameter here. Angles on a semicircle, angles on the diameter are right angles, circle theorems. So that means these overlap, right? These two overlap, is what I'm thinking. It is 117. I swear it is 117. Is it not? No, it has to be. It says it's 117 in the mark scheme. No. It's an overlap. It's an overlap. It includes the angle we're trying to find. It's an overlap. So basically, I did some algebra because there's the overlap. I put 2x. ACE, not CDE. ACD. ACD, not CDE. No, I worked out BDCE. Yeah, just ignore my method, okay? It's pretty good, trust. It's a good method. Right, so there's an overlap. There's a 90 degree here and there's a 117 here. There's an overlap. So I put 2x, I solved for it and it's 27 over 2. The answer's 27. So I have no idea why I went wrong, because apparently it doesn't overlap. Apparently only one of... Does CDE equals 177? No. Right, whatever. It'll remain a mystery forever. Alright, minus 2 points of shame. On the bottle. On the water bottle. I don't know why you only use x, because they overlap. I found out this angle, and we've got this large triangle, BDE, triangle BDE. Angles in the triangle add up to 180. So we subtract 28, subtract 35. So angle BDE should be 117. So... Whatever. I don't know why it's only x. It should be 2x. It's an overlap. What does B stand for? B is unconditional accuracy mark. No method needed. Yeah. So these numbers are one unconditional accuracy mark. P. Process mark 1. Use correct use of LB and UB to find the lower bound profit. I wrote it here. I'm giving it. What does DEP mean? Dependent on previous mark. Divided by upper bound. Yep. Right. Last mark. What does C mean? Communication mark. Awarded for fully no contradiction, no ambiguity. Is more than £8.20. What? For 9.379. I rounded it up. Am I not meant to round it up? Right, let's go back onto the minus question. The total angle Oh, that's so much smarter way of doing it. Oh, that is so smart. I did not think of that. That is really smart. I would have gotten the marks if I did 180 subtract 117 equals 63, and then 90 subtract 63 equals 27. And then I would have... That is so smart. I did not think of that. Right. Correct. Okay. For 9.37 and conclusion. What is a conclusion? At Pac-Man JFL for the second time. What is a conclusion in GCSE? Because my conclusion currently is 9.38 is bigger than 8.20. So it's yes. What is a conclusion at GCSE meant to look like? Waffle about it in context. Waffle about it. So, it is clearly possible to see that he earns more than £8.20 hourly, as the lower bound of his hourly rate of pay is £9.38. Yeah, but it's maths. Why would I waffle? I'll waffle in English, but not in maths. Conclusion that he does not... That's a conclusion. That's basically a conclusion. That's literally the conclusion. That's the best conclusion you have ever seen. That's a conclusion. You cannot tell me that is not a conclusion. Also, why are they truncating it? I mean, it still allows me, but why are they truncating it? You gotta get wordy. As the hourly rate is bigger than 8.2, the rate is definitely more. Just cuz. Okay, so I get 3 marks. Bottle of shame. Oh yeah, by the way, the numbers on here, my water bottle company is made by Route 7, so I wrote down Route 7. Yeah, so that's why there's some numbers. They faded away a bit, but who cares? Right, last question. Nope, penultimate question. 3 to 5. Okay, I think I did something a bit wrong here. Process T eliminates fractions. I did that. I get 1 mark. Boom, boom, boom. Right. That is 1 mark. God damn, I love process marks. Right. Process mark 2. Terms of x squared and xy. Right, so something went wrong over here. Let's see what went wrong. Why did I do that? Right, okay, so... What I could have done is just put an arrow symbol, flip them around, and turn it into 22x squared, subtract 172x squared equals negative 22y squared, subtract 43y squared. Anyway, did I expand it correctly? That's my first point. 22x squared. Oh, I didn't expand it correctly. So it would have been correct. I just didn't expand it correctly. Guys, did you know 11 multiplied by y squared is 22y squared? Whatever. Right. Process to isolate terms. I did isolate it. I just didn't isolate it correctly. I isolated. Yeah, I'm giving myself the mark. Full process to find a correct relationship between X and Y. I did find a relationship between X and Y using lowest common multiple. Now whatever, I'll just take the L. I'll take the L there. I'll take the L. Right, another -2. Right, last question. Right. Process mark 1 for finding AP. AP 10.5, get 1 mark. Process for finding MP. Oh! Oh, yeah, I went for Wait. Process to find TP. What's TP? T. What's P? Oh, TP. But isn't TP the answer? What even is TP? 10.9. Is root 890 over 10 equivalent to 10.9? No. Wait, what? Oh. Process mark 2 to find MP or TP. Where's TP? For the process to find MP or the process to find TP? MP or TP? I use TA. Right, let's see if I can get to the same answer first. Yeah. So tangent opposite and adjacent. There's no hypotenuse. It's opposite of that triangle and adjacent. Oh my days. 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 Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'll tell you what I got wrong, guys. Tangent of theta equals adjacent over opposite. Right. Unlucky guys, unlucky guys. Unlucky there. That was unlucky, that was unlucky, that was unlucky. That was really unlucky, you see. So do I not get a second mark? I mean, tan is an option. TPM. What's M? What's TPM? Who's M? TPM. Oh. Wait. That's really confusing. Wait, no. Oh, wait, no. Oh my day. Oh my days. Oh my goodness. How? I get 1 mark for the last question. 1. 1. One mark, Hal. Hal, you there? I get 1 mark. Because I was working out the wrong thing.
I am here.
I was working out the wrong thing.
Is he still alive? No, yes, he is.
So I worked out the wrong thing. Whatever, 1 out of 4. Who cares? -3 marks. Right. Come on, guys. Let's see what score I got. Right, here are all the subtractions I got. -2, -3, -1, -2, and a -1. A -3, a -2, a -1, a -2, and a -3. 60. Bro, I got 75%. Do I get an 8? Do I get 9? 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 3. 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. 60. Oh. So 60. So 75%. So right. What do we learn from this? What do we learn from this, guys? $89. In the UK, I'm in year 9. So I'm 13, if that helps. It's 8 o'clock, Hal. It's so late. Right, okay. What lessons do we learn? Firstly, we learn I am apparently blind to seeing the word integer. Right, lesson 2 we learn. Lesson 2, why did I cross that out? That's 4 marks. Wait, did I do something wrong then? -2. minus 3. Straight to him. Okay, right. Okay. Lesson 3 we learn. All I had to say was before it was 35, now it's 30. Right, lesson 4 we learn. Sometimes similar shaped questions are really asked. Lesson 5 we learn. Alan, you're really dumb. This was a really simple question. You meant to find out the probability when Amber is yeah, I agree. Lesson 6. Lesson 6 we learn. I hate circle theorems. Lesson 7. For your explanation, yap and yap harder. Lesson 8. What even was the issue? Oh yeah. 11 multiplied by y squared is 22y squared now, apparently. And lesson 9. Apparently, Alan is unable to imagine a Oh, right. Okay, lesson 8. Tangent is opposite over adjacent. Lesson 9. Read the bloody question. Good night, fellas. Wait, actually, I need to see my grade boundary. I want to see my grade. I want to see my grade. Grade boundaries. 2023. GCSE 1 to 9. Right, let's see maths. Apparently the word maths isn't in the bloody... Oh, it's mathematics. I understand it. Right, higher. Since there are 3 tests, we divide the grade boundaries by 3. So what's 203 divided by 3? Oh, I got a 9! Mom, where are you, Mom? Mom, where's Mom? Oh. Dad, I got an A star on a GCSE Maths higher paper. Yeah! Right, good night, fellas.